I've been running both Webull and Moomoo at the same time for a while, actually placing trades and exploring their tools daily, not just reading their feature lists. After using them in real market conditions, I've noticed some clear strengths and weaknesses on each side. This isn't sponsored, no affiliate push, just real experience. From testing both platforms side by side, if you're stuck choosing between them, then this breakdown should help. Let's start with what they have in common. Both platforms offer commission-free trading and are designed to attract beginner and intermediate traders. On the surface, they look similar, but once you dig in, the differences become obvious. Webull stands out for its clean, streamlined design. The interface feels modern and focused, especially if you mainly trade stocks or options and don't want too many extra panels cluttering your screen. The charting tools are strong, offering solid technical indicators and customization. The mobile app is smooth and easy to navigate, which makes managing positions on the go pretty convenient. Another advantage, Webull supports crypto trading, which Moomoo currently does not. For options traders, Webull also provides clear Greeks data and reliable execution, which is a big plus. Moomoo, on the other hand, leans heavily into market data. It offers free level 2 quotes, detailed earnings, breakdowns, institutional ownership tracking, and access to global markets. It's built for traders who like diving deep into numbers and research before making decisions. Like Webull, it includes paper trading for practice accounts. It also tends to run generous sign-up promotions, sometimes offering a bundle of free stocks for new users. In terms of user experience, Webull feels more polished and straightforward, particularly on mobile. It's quick to load charts and place trades. Moomoo provides a massive amount of information, but that can make the layout feel crowded if your goal is simple and fast execution. Both platforms offer educational materials, though Moomoo places a stronger emphasis on news feeds and analytical content. So which one should you choose? If you prefer a cleaner layout and want something that feels efficient and easy to navigate, Webull is likely the better match. It's especially strong for options traders and those who want a balanced platform without too much visual noise. If you're someone who values detailed research tools and access to extensive market data without paying extra for premium analytics, Moomoo delivers surprising depth. It may be particularly appealing for short-term traders and those who focus on earnings plays. In short, options-focused and active traders may lean toward Webull for its simplicity and execution. Data-driven traders who want maximum insight built into the platform might appreciate what Moomoo offers. Hopefully, this comparison makes your decision a little easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.